Mission Director Jongka Director Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission Dream Bah FG Kharshiing hakasngi Nyngkong ulaya kynduh yu Myntri ketenat Social Welfare ba Lyngdoh shwa ba Sdang Noh ya kam banya khun pyrshah ya drok haka Jylla. Haba kren batkilat pathai Khubor uba FG Kharshiing uba deiru uhe pulit barim ke Jylla ulaya iathuh ba hakini ki khyndiat sngi unlum no ya jingialang naga bynta ban pyntyllun ya kam shakhmat.
Good afternoon, everybody. I've just taken over just a few days ago as mission director of the Dream project. This is a project which the government is very keen to have to fight and combat the menace of drug, and basically to ensure Meghalaya, a drug-free Meghalaya. So we discussed a few. This is my first call on with the minister in charge. And we discussed a few suggestions, things on how to go about it at the moment. I've apprised the minister. We're hitting the ground running, and I've already called a meeting of a few concerned citizens from Shillong, NGOs and students next day after tomorrow on the 13th at the social welfare, and we work out a few projects. The idea is we want to see. It is very close to my heart, this particular I want to see our state free of drugs. So, which is why I accepted this post. And we'll try our best. Although I have to be very frank about this, that results will not be seen in a day, not in a month, not in 2 months, not 3 months, maybe in a year. But we will start something. We will try our best to move ahead with the project which the government has initiated.